there. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I am going to be doing a first time project with you, and I hope you bear with me because I've never done this before, but I thought why not do a video and we'll see how it goes. It could end up being just a crazy blooper, or it could end up being something awesome. We'll see. Alright, get started. I have a canvas. I'm forgetting the size of these. I bought it from a company online. I do not recommend them. They are cheap. Trying to open it, I accidentally poked a hole in it. It's not the first one I've done that with. I like my smaller canvases that I've been doing a lot of my painting on. Much better. It's one of the thinner brand. I really like the thicker 1.5 inch sides. So much better canvas. Anyways, it's just a test, so I'm going to do it on this. It's not a big loss if it doesn't work. Going to be using a home decor by FolkArt. It's a layering block. The only thing is I'm not going to be layering. I'm going to be doing this technique all at one time. Again, never done it before. It's the first time I'm going to be taking this item out of the package. I've had it for quite some time. It's basically like a block of wood with a little handle on top. We probably could make these. Alright. And I am going to be using, just for this video, my golden artist colors. These are, I'm going to forget what they're called, heavy body. They're heavy body paints. Bought them as a test to see, you know, like for the palette knives, because I am interested in palette knife painting. So just like any other creatives, you know, you end up doing just about everything you see on, you want to give it a try. So I'm going to be using their Besamazolone, I don't know, Mars Black, Ultimate Blue, or Ultramarine Blue, sorry, Nepal Red Light, Titanium White, which I think is very popular, and a Permanent Green Light, which, whatever that means. Okay, the demonstration that I had seen is the person just put out just random places the paint. Okay, so we'll see. It's going to be using a lot of this paint, so hopefully I'm not sorry that I wasted the paint, but here goes. Alright, I think it's fun to kind of do some new techniques, or give them a try, see if they work as easily as people show them. It's always in my mind, did it work? Really work that easy? They made it seem like it did. What a great way to make some abstract art if it really works, right? I'm a little nervous, I'll have to be honest with you. A little nervous on this. I'm just not sure what to expect. I don't know if I'm going to have a lot of hit and miss dry spots or way too much paint. On this one, I'm not going to be so concerned about the sides. Just really going to be mainly concerned about getting the paint on the front of the canvas, in all honesty. Alright, here we go. We are in for this. And here we go with the blue. And of course, like I said, unfortunately I'm not doing it on a good canvas since I poked a hole in it. It doesn't really surprise me. Let's put some blue up here. Give this corner some blue. Maybe this corner a little blue. I like the colors. Alright, so here goes nothing. Alright, so basically they took this tool and then they just went down like this. Okay, so now I see what it's doing. And then they just went like this down through it. And then went down with it like this. Okay, let's go over to the side here. Kind of like how it first started out. I'm not sure about the remaining part of it. Looks kind of not as easy as they made it look like in their video. I don't want to overwork it either, because then it's going to really look like this kind of mess in the middle. I don't know. I think it's a fail. Let me know what you think. I don't like it. Anyways, thanks for going through this journey with me. And until the next video, have a good one. Okay, wanted to show you that I kind of played with it a little bit after we got done. I still don't like it, but I like how the underneath part of it looks once you removed all the excess paint. Like I said, it was too hard to get all the excess paint off, but thought that was really kind of neat. So what I'm going to do is do another one using my little canvases. I'm trying, I don't want to get a bunch of paint on this, and just do one color at a time, because that's initially what the process is supposed to be. But the way they showed it, it was like, and you can do it with other things, so maybe my block isn't the best thing to do it with. But I'm going to try it and see if that makes a difference. I cleaned it off, and we're just going to do one color at a time and see if that makes a difference. Trying maybe not to do quite as much paint. I don't know. I'm not really sure what to think about this. Again, it's trial and error here, and you're coming with me for the ride, so we'll see, because I've never even opened this tool, so let's see what happens here. So I might need to put a little bit more paint on here. Okay, I'm going to do this, and it's supposed to, I won't overwork it, which I think I'm doing. Okay, do that. Maybe even hit it with a tool of some sort to dry. And if you're someone that's used one of these tools before, I'd love any input that you have, because I have never used it. Oops, sorry. Alright, so then I went back. I did hit it with a heat gun, and I'm going to try to do maybe just a little bit more color right up in here. Kind of do some, still around the edges, because I feel like my other one was too dry on the one end. And let's see what happens going this direction. And it might also work better on a flatter piece of wood, maybe. Okay, I'm going to leave it as it is. Alright, hit it with with the heating gun again. This time I'm going to put some light on it. Might even do it in a different direction. Maybe that would be good. I don't know. Like I said, you're along for the ride. This is trial and error. Both of these might just be going in the trash. And that's fine too. Like to experiment, that's how you learn, right? Okay, here we go. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. And here goes nothing. I don't know. I think I'm starting to like it. What do you think? Comment in the bottom if you like it. And I guess if this is something I were going to do, I would want to, definitely on this I probably would do the sides too. Anyhow, alright, let's try another color here in a second. I almost kind of just like it the way it is, but I think we'll do one more color. One more color on this one. I think I'm going to go the same direction I did with the white. Sorry, my camera's moving around. Making you guys nauseated watching the video. Alright, let's do, I'll do some up here. I think on this one I'm going to try to be a little bit spottier with it. I don't need quite as much coverage on this one. And we'll see. See what happens. And like I said, I'm going to go sideways again. Alright, here we go. You ready? Here we go. Okay. What do you think? Think we need to do another? I think I almost liked it better without the red on it. Maybe we'll do one more color. Alright, I'm going to do one more color. I'm going to go back the original direction. And on this one, I'm still going to do just spottiness. Maybe not as much. And see what happens. This up it doesn't get too muddled. Because that's what I liked about the way it was looking, is that it wasn't so muddled. Yeah, I think I like it was just with the few colors. I don't like it with all this on there. I mean, you might, but I'm not digging that. I like the way it looked to begin with. Let me know. Comment below. Like I said, if you're experienced with using one of these, I'd love to hear your ideas, your suggestions on that. And again, this was just something fun to try, not anything serious. So again, I appreciate you stopping by. Have a good day until the next video.